Hello dear 10th standard students. We are just going to construct the tangents to the circle. In the previous video we are already learnt about the construction of tangents from an external point to the circle. So in this video the second method we are going to learn the second method, tangent constructions. There are so many methods here there for construction of tangents to the circle. For that we are already done in the first method. This is second method. See, to construct tangents from an external point to the circle, this is already done by us in the previous video. And the second one, today we are going to learn about this. Second one is to construct tangents to the circle when angle is given between the two radii. When the angle given between the two radii, how to construct the tangents to the circle when the angle given between the two radii. This is the concept we are going to learn in this video. See, let's see. I am taking one example here. The example like this: draw a circle of radius 2.5 centimeter. Then construct a pair of tangents at the end point of its radii which are inclined to each other at an angle of 70 degree. So here the question: draw a circle of radius 2.5 centimeter. After drawn the circle, we have to construct a pair of tangents. We have to construct a pair of tangents at the end point of its radii which are inclined to each other at an angle of 70 degree. This is the question. So let's go for the construction of tangents. See, I am taking the measurement here. The circle is of radius 2.5 centimeter. Take the measurement here, that is 2.5 centimeter. Here they are asking 2.5 centimeter as radius, means this is 2 and this is 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter is comes between the 2 and 3. So this is 2.5 centimeter. Draw at mid place. In the middle we have to draw the circle of radius 2.5 centimeter. Draw like this. After drawn the circle, mark the center of the circle. Where the center of the circle is there, mark the center of the circle and draw radius. I am drawn here like this. This is radius, and we have to construct this point. To construct the pair of tangents at the end point of its radii, means at the end point of the radii is here. That's why we are going to construct this in this point. And one radius is here, but where is the another radius? So another radius is here. Between the two tangents is between the two radii is 70 degree. So I am taking the 70 degree here from the first radius. Mark this and take the measurement from right side. This is 70 degree. Angle between the two radii is 70 degree. That's why I am taking the 70 degree from right side here. So draw a line by using the ruler. Draw the radius. The angle between the two radii is 70 degree. Here already one radius I drawn one radius, but another one radius is here, that is exactly between the two radii is 70 degree. After this, we have to construct tangents at this point. At the end point means the end point of radius. So take the measurement here, means the same length of radius. Mark the point at the end point, take it is as center, and draw a semicircle like this. At the end point of a radii, we are going to construct the tangents. That's why place it the compass at this point and draw a semicircle like this. After drawn, see there the semicircle and the first circle contact at each other in this point. This as a center, and draw one more semicircle like this, or arc, for cutting the first one. And see, the semicircle goes like this, and arc cutting the point, the called point of intersection. Here is the point of intersection, and after that it is as center, and draw one more arc to the first one. This cuts the first one. Here we got the point of intersection of both the arcs. After that, here the point of contact of both the arcs and the end point of the radii. We have to draw on the straight line like this. This point of contact and the end point of the radii. Join these. This straight line is called a tangent. This is first tangent. Like this, the one more radius means the another radius. At the end point, we have to construct one more tangent. Keep it at this side. And this is a center, and draw a semicircle like previous one. From this point, we have to draw one semicircle like this. Search the point of contact of semicircle as well as circle. The semicircle and the circle cuts here. So after this has been center. Taking as center and draw an arc, cuts the first semicircle. And after that, where the point of contact between those arcs, here is the point of contact, and keep it at this side. Then draw the one more arc, which is exactly cuts the previous arc. Like this, just cut it. Here comes the one more point of contact. Here we got the point of contact. This point of contact under the end point of the radius. We have to join these 2 points as a straight line. This is called another one tangent. Like this. Then both the tangents are contact at a point. This is second tangent and this is first tangent. These are the tangents we are wanted. These 2 tangents are the required tangents. See here, this one and this one. These 2 tangents are contact at one place. So this is the process of constructing the tangents when they are asking the second method, angle between the 2 tangents. Thank you.